Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening your Shutterstock contributor dashboard and verifying your identity. That unlocks uploads immediately. Once done, choose 310 best images and confirm they meet resolution and copyright rules so they aren't rejected. Make sure each file uses the correct color profile and has no visible edits that imply trademarks. Then go to Upload, drag files into the queue, and add a concise IPT title and short caption to each image before moving to keywording. Now focus on keywording and metadata. You want searchers to find your work. Start with a clear, keyword-rich title that names the primary subject, then expand the caption to explain context. Next, add 20 to 50 relevant keywords. Place the strongest, most specific terms first and add broader terms later. Choose appropriate categories, and if people or private property appear, attach signed model or property releases. Finally, batch apply common tags to similar images to save time before submission. Finish by submitting your images for Shutterstock review and then monitor each file's status in the dashboard. Once accepted, track impressions and sales to learn which subjects perform best and adjust future shoots. If an image is rejected, read the rejection reason carefully. Technical issues like noise or metadata errors are fixable quickly. If it's an IP concern, remove problematic elements or provide releases. After corrections, resubmit. Repeated small updates improve your acceptance rate over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.